If humans were to confront an invasion of gargantuan goats, tactics would include utilizing advanced technology for harnessing their sheer size against them, while also creating fortified shelters that blend into the environment to launch surprise attacks, ultimately transforming the urban landscape into a battleground with strategic vantage points to outmaneuver these enormous adversaries. By deploying aerial drones to distract and confuse the giant goats, humans could gain an upper hand, employing guerrilla warfare tactics that involve hit-and-run strategies to weaken the goats' morale, while simultaneously using natural terrains to their advantage. Through the establishment of underground havens, humans could plan their maneuvers meticulously, employing advanced engineering to create traps that incapacitate these giant goats while minimizing casualties among their ranks. Utilizing behavioral science to exploit the goats' natural instincts, humans could develop methods to redirect these colossal creatures away from cities, ensuring safety while simultaneously studying their patterns to formulate effective counter-strategies. Employing psychological tactics alongside physical defenses, humans might use illusions and diversions to mislead the giant goats while simultaneously fortifying their cities with barricades and traps designed to contain or redirect these titanic foes. As night falls, humans could exploit darkness by employing high-tech night vision and sound devices to create confusion among the giant goats, enabling them to launch surprise attacks that capitalize on the creature's limited visibility and heightened auditory sensitivity. Celebrating small victories and the ingenuity of their strategies, humankind would rally together, reinforcing their defenses and working in unity to ensure that every successful engagement against the giant goats builds their confidence and determination for the ongoing struggle.